Hi, my name's Dani and I'm with SMV Virtual Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to set conditions on your sections within a record. Let's jump in. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a record. Then we're going to go inside the record, go up to the action menu, and then we're going to go to page settings. Once we're in page settings, we're going to go over to the far right to the section visibility, and we're going to click on the section that we want to control the visibility. This is where you're going to set your conditions. I set mine on status and to make it to where you can only view it during interviewing and pending decision. So now let's see if it works. So not making offer, we're not seeing that candidate score. Now we're gonna move over to interviewing and we're gonna scroll down and look, candidate interview scores is visible. Now let's move away from there to hired, and now you can't see the candidate interview scores. And that's it. Give us a like if you wanna see more content.